Hey guys, it's Mac here from Cryptstar Staking, and today I wanted to walk you guys through the Spicy Swap and what exactly it is. First, I'm going to explain what exactly it is. Then I'm going to go ahead and take you through the 3 steps, the 3 websites you have to go through in order to go ahead and start farming on Spicy Swap. Now, Spicy Swap is still on beta mode. However, if you want to be an early adopter and get the really nice rewards early, you need to actually jump in early while the risk is high. And try and take advantage of this. Otherwise, later it's not going to be quite as high rewards, and the risk might be lower because you'll have a finished product. But then, we all want to get that 100x, right? So I'm making this video for you guys who want to get in but don't have the technical know-how or the technical savvy to do it yourselves. I'm going to walk you step by step. So, during this first tutorial, this first section right now I'm going to do is actually going to be just explaining what is going to happen in the next 3 episodes. And I'm going to do all 3 episodes in order. So you can go ahead and skip right now to those 3 episodes. I'll leave a link right here. You can see them on top. First, I want to explain to you, basically, Spicy Swap is going to be a token-to-token exchange. It is a token-to-token exchange, and it has really low fees. It has a really fast loading time, and it has a interesting tokenomics. Hopefully that they work on that a little bit. But for me, the biggest thing is it has a lot of community support behind it. It has one of the longest, basically OG developers on Tezos, who's finally quit his job. His name is Jabba the Hutt, and he has finally decided to work on Tezos full time, starting at the beginning of the month, which means that this platform is quite likely to blow up and become huge because he knows all the inner workings of the Tezos blockchain. So I highly recommend you get involved. If you don't want to put a lot of Tezos into it or whatever, put a little bit in, test it out, because I think this has high potential. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so please just take this with a grain of salt. Also, just to let you know, this is the first platform to utilize wrapped Tezos. Now, wrapped Tezos, basically what it is it allows you to wrap your Tezos in a shared vault, and that vault earns baking rewards over time. And once you put your Tezos in, you can get wrapped Tezos, and those wrapped Tezos are a lot more fluid and can be used as an FA2 token, which has a lot more entry points and things like that you can use around the Tezos ecosystem, whereas Tezos just wouldn't cut it. Tezos tends to complicate things when you're going from Tezos to token swapping. Like Quipu Swap, you get a lot of errors, takes a lot of time, and the gas fee might be higher. Different things like that. Don't quote me on that, please. But with wrapped Tezos, you can take it, you can swap between tokens. You can create multiple token pools, multiple token farms, and really creative things. It's just getting started with Spicy Swap. Plenty did do something like this with the Plenty token, but Spicy Swap is going to use the wrapped Tezos instead as the main token, and then Spicy will be like the dividend earner of the platform. So basically, Spicy is going to earn 1% of all fees that it's staked to. So you're gonna, in the long run, you're gonna be staking your Spicy and your Tezos LP together to earn fees from each of the pools. Okay, so you earn fees from each of the pools. If you delegate to the Spicy pool, you earn 0.3%. So it's 0.2% plus 0.31% added together in the Spicy Tezos LP pool if you stake it there. If you stake it in like the SDAO wrapped Tezos pool, you'll earn 0.1%, and the people who stake the SDAO and wrapped Tezos will earn 0.2% from the fee. Now, the farming is something you want to take advantage of right now. I wouldn't recommend staking too much in the native farms that are on the Spicy Swap. You actually want to stake on the farms that are on Salsadao. Now, Salsadao is a very old platform in the Tezos ecosystem. Basically, the UI isn't very beautiful right now. I'll tell you straight up. It's not the most beautiful UI. However, it's one of the first UIs to have batch claiming, which was very, very intuitive in the very beginning. Now it's kind of everyone does it, but it also there's promises of the future to have the UI upgraded probably within the next couple weeks. There's talks in the Discord about it, so I wouldn't worry too much about the looks of the UI, but you need to realize that if you get into this ecosystem now, you probably won't be able to withdraw for another 2 or 3 weeks, which means if something happens to their tokens, you won't be able to withdraw. However, you're taking the risk. You're also getting the huge advantage of being one of the largest. You're going to have the largest percentage of the farm, so you're going to get more farming rewards earlier on. That's it for this first talk. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the tutorial and explain the rest of this process. So I'll see you there.